Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix error code 0x5. The game has crashed in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So if you're getting this error code 0x5 in Black Ops 7, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to repair or reset the game. To do this, go to Windows settings, click on apps on the left, then click on installed apps, and then search for Call of Duty, and this is the correct one. Click on this three dot and then click on advanced options. Now scroll down. First click on terminate and then click on repair. Once the repair has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then click on reset option. Again click on reset. Then go ahead, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it doesn't, then the second fix is to repair gaming services using Xbox app. So open Xbox app, click on your profile icon, then click on support and then click on gaming services repair tool. Then click on start repairing. Click yes to allow. Now wait for this process to get complete. Once the repair process has been done, then click close and then relaunch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is by using a PowerShell Codes. So in Windows search type PowerShell and open the Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to type these two codes one by one. This is the first code. Copy this. You can copy this code from my video description. I have provided both the code in my video description. So first copy the first code and then paste it and then hit enter. Now copy the second code, paste it and then hit enter. Now it will open the Microsoft Store and you have to install the gaming services. So click on get, click yes to allow. This will take some time, so please wait. And once it is installed, then go ahead and just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, launch the Xbox app and then launch Black Ops 7 and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then fix for it to change drive for Black Ops 7. Launch Xbox app and click on Black Ops 7. Click on 3 vertical dot next to play button and then click on manage. Go to file section and then click on change drive under options and select D drive or any other drive and follow the on-screen instruction to transfer the games on different drive. And then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 other common fixes includes install only Call of Duty base game and select only BO7 game and rest uncheck. So open Xbox app, select Call of Duty and then click on this three dot and then click on manage, click on add-ons. Now select the base game and only select BO7 and rest don't check mark, rest leave it as it is. If it is ticked mark, then untick it. Only install base game and BO7 related game. That's all. And then click on apply changes and this will update the game and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then simply restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If it's still not solved, then verify and repair the game files. So open Xbox app, select Call of Duty, then click on this three dot and then click on manage and then go to the file section and then click on verify and repair. And after the repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve error code 0x5 in Black Ops 7. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.